Greetings and welcome to this tutorial. This is Marlena, and in this session I'll guide you on how to set up SPF and DKIM for your Moosend account. Okay, let's start. So first of all, you need to click on More from the top menu bar and then Settings. Here you have Senders page, and in this page you'll find all your senders that you have in your Moosend account. You will see Set Up SPF and DKIM button next to the senders that you have in here. You just need to click on that button. So I'm going to set up SPF and DKIM for my helpdmarc.com domain. So I'm going to click on this, and once you click on that button, Moosend will provide you with DKIM record, which is TXT, and SPF record. So let's start from DKIM. Here you just need to copy the record and publish it in your DNS. Let's go to our DNS and create a new record. The record should be in TXT type. Now let's copy the value. Okay, let's save it. We have already published the DKIM record. Now let's move on to SPF record. If you have an existing SPF record, you just need to copy this part and add it into your existing SPF record. If you don't have an SPF record at all, you just need to copy the whole SPF record and publish it in your DNS. So in my case, I already have an existing SPF record, so I'm going to just copy this part and add it to my existing SPF record. Here is my SPF record, so let's just add it here. Okay, perfect. The records are already added, and once you publish the records, you need to go back to your Moosend account and verify the DNS records. Of course, now it won't show verified because it needs time for the records to be fully propagated over the internet. So we have already finished. I'll wait some time and then we'll try to verify the records. Well, if you have done everything properly, you will see green check marks next to the sender, which means that the domain has already been authenticated. Once you complete the authentication process, you can test it with our email investigation tool. I have already done a test here, and you can see that Moosend, the email sent from Moosend, is fully passing the DMARC check with both SPF and DKIM. So I'm good to go with Moosend, and all my emails will be DMARC compliant. So that's it for Moosend. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing with Moosend.